My 13 Ryobi electric mower won't start.
Do you know the model of your Ryobi lawn mower? How old is it?
Ryac130 I used it once a week ago, worked great, 2 weeks old.
How long has this been going on with your Ryobi lawn mower? What have you tried so far?
I've tried to start it the last 3 days, checked cords, all looks good.
Is there anything else the engine expert should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
Not that I can think of.
With it unplugged, flip it over so you can turn the blade manually, to see if it may be binding from grass buildup. If the blade is free, then we need to check the electrical. Do you have a voltmeter to test for voltage? Do you have 120 volts to the unit? Does the switch turn on and send voltage to the motor?
Haven't tested to see if the motor is getting power. Other items are good. Will me taking it apart void any warranties? Should I just return it?
If under warranty, do not take it apart, return it. Just verify it has power to it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.